It's really nice up here. Yep, and there's another new trail. I haven't been riding in a long time. So look how muddy. Gosh. No, Uncle Gunther won't get stuck. Hopefully not. So this is medium level, and that's okay. But it gets more steep, little by little, really gentle. Old greenhouses. Can you see them? The greenhouse right there, left hand side. Yep. Uncle Gunther goes really slow. He doesn't want to power himself out. There's some gardening properties up there, and even down in the hole in the valley. Like this place, it's really peaceful, pretty quiet. You don't hear much of the traffic from the main street. Healthy and clean air. Yeah, this is major important. If you are a sporty guy, active, doing something, Nordic walking, running, and you do that in a city park, you know, downtown, it doesn't really make sense. You know, the sticky air, all the noise pollution and the smog. So, yep, just thought I'd share that with you. Another beautiful side of Wiesbaden Northwest area. Okay. Wow, it got muddy. Yep, there's somewhere the fish ground, these artificial little tanks and basins. I think this is a half a mile from here. Yeah, it's still a little bit to get there. I'll see you there. DK5 ONV on his yellow rock hopper. 7-3 everyone.